Hello and welcome to another adventure of cooking with Judd. This has been sitting in my freezer for I don't know how many years. It's gluten-free. I don't know if it's even marketed anymore. It's been so long. It was frozen solid. I had to heat it up at half power for quite some time, but it's smelling real good. So right now I'm doing up, and they're ready, a gluten-free English muffin, which are really tasty, and I'm thinking I'm going to put this over that and have me sort of a sloppy Joe thing instead of a sandwich. Alrighty, so got my English muffins a little extra well done, and now we will spoon some of this tasty stuff onto it. While I think of it, that Heinz 57 sauce that I love so much, I realized what that tastes like. It's like shrimp cocktail sauce. It's very definitely in the same family if it's not the same stuff. So here's our nicely heated stuff, Lloyd's chicken barbecue stuff. And we shall spoon some of this onto my English muffins. This container is supposed to hold enough for 5 sandwiches. Now I can definitely smell vinegar in this, which is probably going to be a bit too much for me. I think that's one of the things that pissed me off about some barbecue. Too much vinegar. That's pretty tasty. Okay, fork and knife, and there's dinner. So we shall go try dinner. Okay, here we go. Not bad. Definitely edible, something different. How do you cut vinegar? There's definitely vinegar in it. And it's not an overbearing amount, but what do you counteract that with? Somebody's going to say basil, I bet. I'm going to throw some basil on this stuff. Okay, I didn't find basil, but I found some oregano. So I threw some oregano on there, and we'll see what that is. That helps, that's good. In fact, I like that. That was good. In fact, I'm having some more without the bun, but with the oregano. The oregano really makes it quite edible and very tasty. The vinegar just bothered me, and the oregano kind of takes that out of there, and now it's very tasty stuff. And I'm probably gonna have heartburn, but who cares? I may have a heartburn night, but you have a good one. Happy day to you.